Today, we'll explain the difference between grounding and bonding in electrical systems. Grounding means connecting electrical equipment or systems to the earth. This protects both equipment and people by providing a path for excess current, like during a lightning strike. Bonding, on the other hand, is the process of connecting all metal parts of an electrical system together. This ensures that there's no difference in voltage between these parts, making it safer if a fault occurs. Both are critical for safety, but they play different roles. Grounding manages electricity from external sources, while bonding ensures internal safety within the system. Stay tuned for more electrical tips every week.